In today's video, I'll show you how to enable caller ID and spam protection on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. If you're tired of getting spam calls, scam calls, or unknown business calls, this feature is super useful. It helps you identify and automatically block unwanted calls on your Samsung device. Caller ID and spam protection settings on Samsung Galaxy. Open the Phone app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap on Caller ID and Spam Protection. Now, turn the toggle on. Once enabled, your phone will identify spam and scam callers, show warnings for suspicious numbers, automatically help block unwanted calls. You'll also see an option to block spam and scam calls. Tap on it and choose one of the following. Block all spam and scam calls. Block only high-risk scam calls. Select the option that works best for you. You can also go back and tap on block numbers to manually block specific phone numbers. Block unknown or private numbers. What happens next? Once everything is enabled, your Samsung device will automatically filter and block spam calls, giving you a much cleaner calling experience. That's how you can easily enable caller ID and spam protection on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series.